What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Just want to make a quick video showing you what a 5-inch exhaust sounds like on this is a 2018 6.7 Power Stroke, but it should sound pretty much similar on any 6.7 Power Stroke. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe, and yeah, let's check her out. So like I said, 2018 F350, it's got a 5-inch flo-pro exhaust, straight pipe, and then I just got a 5 to 6-inch tip on it. A lot of times when you're installing these kits, this one has a 5th wheel in the back, so I kind of had to bang the 5-inch exhaust pipe where it goes over the axle there, just so that it fits. That's pretty common with any 5-inch system on a diesel truck. And then for tuning, this truck has a 45 horsepower Easy Link tune on it. But yeah, let's fire up. So personally, I like the sound of a 5-inch better than a 4-inch just because it's a deeper and it's, you know, more throaty. I actually find it's quieter on the highway just because it's not kind of rappy like a 4-inch. But yeah, that's just a quick video in case you guys are wondering what you want to put on your truck. So again, like and subscribe, and if you got questions, ask in the comments or look me up on Instagram at Dark Iron Diesel and shoot me a message. Thanks for watching.